good, Grill Gains? Let's be honest, takeout is getting way too expensive. But today, I'm going to show you how to do an Asian-inspired, high-protein steak bowl that keeps your macros in check and it's way cheaper. Let's get into it. Let's start by making a soy sauce-based marinade for the skirt steak. Add soy sauce, minced garlic, rice vinegar, brown sugar, water, fresh ginger, sesame oil, and black pepper. Take your skirt steak, add it to a Ziploc bag, add your marinade, shake it up, then let it sit in the fridge overnight. Next, let's get the peppers ready. Cut them into large quarters and de-season them. Add oil, salt, and pepper. Also, cut your onion into large slices. Now, to the grill. You can use the onion to season and keep your grates non-stick. Let's add the peppers and onions. These will cook really fast, maybe 3 or 4 minutes per side. This is what we're looking for. Just some good chard to add some flavor. Steaks go on next, hot and fast. The brown sugar in the marinade will caramelize and give these steaks a really nice color. Pull these steaks at about 130, let them rest until they hit about 135 for medium rare. Let's cut our steak into bite-sized pieces. We got some good char in the steaks, and that marinade comes through. They taste amazing. Let's slice up our peppers and onions. I like to mix the steak with the peppers and onions, so it's kind of like a stir fry. Next, I'm making a slaw to pair with the steak. Start with soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and fresh ginger. Finally, add a little bit of honey. I got this slaw from Kroger. Add it to a bowl, add your sauce, and mix it up. Boom, that's it. All right, let's make the bowls. Start with rice as the base. Add the slaw. Add your steak, onions, and peppers. And finish it with some green onions as a garnish. And that's it. Now that's a steak bowl that beats takeout on flavor, protein, and price. If you like this content, subscribe to Grill Gains. Like, comment, and tell me what I should make next. I'll see you on the next one.